Broadcom 2V0-13.25 exam practice questions with explanations are available in the video for you to study. When designing a VMware Cloud Foundation (VCF) solution, which Broadcom technologies can enhance virtual machine performance by reducing latency and improving throughput? A. Broadcom NVMe SSD. B. Broadcom 25GB Ethernet adapter. C. Broadcom RAID controller. D. VMware vSphere DRS. The answer is A. B. Broadcom NVMe SSDs deliver high IOPS and low latency, directly improving VM performance. Broadcom 25GB Ethernet adapters provide high bandwidth, low latency networking, critical for workload efficiency in VCF. A RAID controller mainly provides redundancy and reliability, not VM performance optimization. vSphere DRS, VMware feature, balances workloads but isn't a Broadcom product. When designing storage for VMware Cloud Foundation, which best practices should be followed when using Broadcom RAID controllers to ensure optimal performance and reliability? A. Use RAID 5 for performance and cost efficiency. B. Use RAID 10 for performance and redundancy. C. Use SSDs for RAID cache. D. Keep RAID firmware and drivers updated. The answer is B. C. D. RAID 10 provides both high performance and redundancy, making it the preferred choice for VMware workloads. SSDs used as cache in RAID controllers improve I/O performance by reducing latency. Keeping firmware and drivers updated ensures compatibility, stability, and access to performance enhancements. RAID 5 is not recommended for VMware environments due to slower write performance and higher rebuild times. In a VMware Cloud Foundation environment, why is it important to regularly update firmware and drivers for Broadcom adapters and controllers? A. Increased hardware lifespan. B. Bug fixes. C. Improved performance. D. Enhanced security. The answer is B. C. D. Bug fixes ensure stability and resolve known hardware, software issues. Improved performance comes from driver, firmware optimizations provided by Broadcom. Enhanced security patches protect against vulnerabilities that could impact VMware workloads. Increased hardware lifespan, A, is not a direct benefit of updates. It depends more on workload usage and maintenance practices. In a VMware Cloud Foundation design, which Broadcom technologies play a direct role in optimizing physical network performance for virtual workloads? A. Broadcom 25GB Ethernet adapter. B. Broadcom 10GB Ethernet adapter. C. VMware vSwitch. D. VMware NSX. The answer is A. B. Broadcom 25GB and 10GB Ethernet adapters provide high bandwidth, low latency network connectivity, directly impacting VM network performance. VMware vSwitch and VMware NSX are VMware software solutions that optimize virtual networking, but they are not Broadcom solutions. In a VMware Cloud Foundation environment, which Broadcom technologies are most critical for ensuring reliable, high-performance network connectivity? A. Broadcom Ethernet adapters. B. Broadcom NVMe SSDs. C. Broadcom Fiber Channel HBAs. D. Broadcom RAID controllers. The answer is AC. Broadcom Ethernet adapters provide high bandwidth and low latency network connectivity for VM traffic, vSAN, vMotion, and management networks. Broadcom Fiber Channel HBAs enable reliable, high-speed connectivity for storage networking in VMware environments. NVMe SSDs improve storage performance, not network connectivity. RAID controllers manage local disk arrays but don't affect networking. A VMware administrator notices degraded network performance when using Broadcom Ethernet adapters in a Cloud Foundation environment. Which troubleshooting actions should be prioritized? A. Check network cable quality. B. Verify network switch configurations. C. Check the NIC driver version. D. Disable network offloading features. The answer is ABC. Cable quality. A. Damaged or low-grade cables can cause packet loss and throughput issues. Switch configurations. B. Incorrect VLANs, MTU mismatches, or port settings can limit network performance. NIC driver version. C. Outdated drivers can introduce bugs and inefficiencies. Updating ensures optimal Broadcom NIC operation. Disabling network offloading. D. Not a best practice. Features like SO, LRO, and checksum offloading are designed to enhance performance unless troubleshooting specific compatibility issues. When designing an efficient VMware Cloud Foundation storage architecture, which VMware and Broadcom technologies should be combined to achieve high performance and resiliency? A. Broadcom NVMe SSD. B. Broadcom RAID controller. C. Broadcom 25 GBE Ethernet adapter. D. VMware vSAN. The answer is AD. Broadcom NVMe SSDs. A. Deliver high throughput and low latency, critical for VMware storage performance. VMware vSAN. D. VMware's hyperconverged storage solution that pools local NVMe SSD drives across hosts. Broadcom RAID controllers. B. Not required for vSAN, which uses disk groups and software-based redundancy. Broadcom 25 GBE adapters. C. Improve storage networking but are more about connectivity than storage architecture itself. Which Broadcom products help improve storage performance in VMware Cloud Foundation? A. Broadcom RAID controllers. B. Broadcom NVMe SSDs. C. Broadcom Ethernet adapters. D. Broadcom Fiber Channel HBAs. The answer is ABED. Broadcom RAID controllers. A. Improve local storage performance and redundancy in environments not using vSAN. Broadcom NVMe SSDs. B. Provide high throughput and low latency, significantly improving VM storage performance. Broadcom Fiber Channel HBAs. D. Enable high-speed, reliable SAN connectivity for VMware environments. Broadcom Ethernet adapters. C. Primarily enhance network performance, not storage I/O. In VMware Cloud Foundation, which Broadcom solutions are essential for ensuring high network performance and supporting scalable virtual workloads. A. Broadcom Fiber Channel HBAs. B. Broadcom Ethernet adapters. C. Broadcom NVMe SSDs. D. Broadcom RAID controllers. The answer is B. Broadcom Ethernet adapters, B, provide high bandwidth, low latency network connectivity critical for VM traffic, vSAN, vMotion, and management networks. Fiber channel HBAs, A, support storage connectivity, not general network traffic. NVMe SSDs, C, and RAID controllers, D, improve storage performance but do not directly impact network scalability or performance. When designing a fault-tolerant VMware Cloud Foundation environment, which VMware features and Broadcom hardware are most important to ensure high availability and data resiliency? A. vSphere HA. B. Broadcom RAID controller. C. vSAN. D. Broadcom 25GBE Ethernet adapter. The answer is ABC. vSphere HA, A, automatically restarts VMs on other hosts in case of host failure, providing high availability. Broadcom RAID controller, B, ensures local storage redundancy and data protection in each host. vSAN, C, provides distributed storage with built-in redundancy and fault tolerance across multiple hosts. 25GBE Ethernet adapter, D, improves network performance but is not directly responsible for fault tolerance.